Alrighty, good morning you guys. Welcome back to another video with Zoning here. Today I have a video for you guys about, is it better to have elevated coops off the ground or just have them on their natural on the ground, like their natural habitat? There's pros and cons. It goes both ways. I personally think that I prefer the elevated coops for a certain reason, and I prefer them on the ground for certain reasons too. So it goes both ways. But without further ado, let's hop right into the video. So let's keep this video short and quick, just full of information instead of blabbering about everything. All right. So 2 feet across, just support brackets in the middle, just wood, 1/2 inch by inch wood, very straightforward, elevated with bricks. What I like about elevated coops is you can clean up the droppings. Quarantine and elevated coops is by all means my favorite method. Works the best for me for a new bird or sick bird. I'm able to disinfect it because it's all metal. I'm able to spray it down with the minimal of having wood to rot. It's just a dog crate. I could take out the dog crate and disinfect it. It's all bare metal, so very easy to clean, very easy to maintain. Red mites is one of, I think, everybody's problem that they have to deal with if you have any fowls, right? With this, I found that because obviously red mites hides in crevices, cracks that are dark, and chicken droppings that are old. So you keep the droppings clean. I keep it clean weekly. I get them out weekly. Minimal wood, crevices, and cracks. Just spray it down with, what I use is just insect sprays, insect killer sprays. When I do that, I'm able to just have them out, spray all the cracks and crevices, and then wait for a couple hours and then throw them back in, and I'm pretty much red mite free, which I'm not, but I keep it to the minimum because it's almost impossible to get rid of them. The cons of this is the chickens tend to this is taking them away from the natural habitat, right? Being on dirt and having them themselves a nice dust bath, a dirt bath. The way I prevent that is I have them out. I alternate them out for a good 10 to 15 minutes to dust bath, be outside on the dirt to give them the dirt to help them grind their foods. It's just that simple. Haven't had any issue with it. So my little guy right here makes a lot of mess. This is all from him. Anything, if I was to move him out, all of this has to go, because he may carry some symptoms that can vary from other chickens, and it may cross-contaminate to them and they could get sick. I usually don't quarantine them in enclosures on the ground because it's just a little harder to clean, because you have the dirt that if, let's say, I had a chicken that was sick and the droppings were on the dirt, right? It could get buried, it could go under, and if I don't clean it well enough and I don't dig through it enough, it could be in there, and if I was to place my little guy in there, he might get exposed to it. But overall, this is the typical enclosure on the ground with the dirt that majority and majority of breeders have. Alright, so this whole video, it's all personal preference. I like both. They're beneficial in their own way, and their purpose they have their own purpose, right? But with that being said, which one do you prefer more? Let me know the reasons why, and we could share ideas on the comments below. That way we could branch it out for beginners, even for myself. You guys, I may have an idea that you guys don't have, that you guys pick up, and you guys may have ideas that I didn't think of, and I could pick up from that, and that's just the way we learn. But with that being said, I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys have a good rest of the day, and as always, this is Tony. I hope you guys enjoy.